Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Your repo builds locally, and you know the publish folder. Next, sign into Netlify and choose Connect to Git. When prompted, grant Netlify access to your GitHub account and select the specific repository you want to deploy. This links accounts securely and avoids granting blanket permissions. Once done, Netlify will read your repo to detect build settings. Make sure your default branch is correct, so the next steps pick up the right codebase. Now configure build parameters so Netlify can compile your site. Choose the branch to deploy, enter the build command like npm run build or yarn build, and set the publish directory such as build or dist. If you need secrets, add environment variables in Netlify or include a Netlify toml for advanced settings. This ensures consistent behavior between local and CI. Once configured, trigger a manual deploy to validate the pipeline, watching the build log for install, build, and publish steps. Finish by confirming the live site URL, and if desired, add a custom domain. Update DNS records as Netlify instructs so the domain points to the site. If a deployment fails, inspect build logs for specific errors, clear the build cache, and rerun the deploy. This resolves many transient issues. If content is wrong, roll back to a prior deploy or change the branch settings. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched publish directory is a common culprit. Double-check the folder name exactly matches your build output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.